This is the fifth part of the HEX Innovate series on basic HEX ezCAN installation. It gives a brief overview of how to configure all 12-volt accessories connected to a HEX ezCAN, and how to use the ezBUS PWR feature if needed. For demonstration purposes, ezCAN installation on a BMW R1250 GS Adventure is shown. Generic ezCAN procedures may not apply to all motorcycles. If installation and other procedures specific to your motorcycle model are shown on hexezcan.com, be sure to follow them. If any tasks shown in this video are beyond your ability, consult a qualified motorcycle technician or electronics technician for assistance. Alternatively, send an email to support@hexezcan.com. When the HEX ezCAN is connected to the motorcycle's CAN bus connectors, battery terminals and accessories, you will need to connect your computer to the ezCAN, install the HEX ezCAN configuration software, and configure the ezCAN to work the way you want it to. To complete the ezCAN installation, connect all your planned accessories to the ezCAN power circuits. It is important to make a note of which power circuit is connected to which accessory. Switch on the motorcycle's ignition. Configure each ezCAN power circuit using the HEX ezCAN configuration software. If you are connecting one or more smart accessories to the white circuit, set the white circuit to ezBUS mode and do an ezBUS scan, as shown in the ezCAN user manual. If the white circuit is being used in ezBUS mode and you need to supply total continuous current of more than 15 amps, you can supply more power to the white circuit by using the HEX ezBUS PWR splitter. This allows the yellow circuit to route additional current to the ezBUS circuit, increasing the ezBUS circuit's current capacity to a maximum of 30 amps. Test that each accessory works as expected. If needed, fine-tune the cutoff amperage limit for each power circuit. For model-specific HEX ezCAN installation instructions, read the installation guides at this URL.